right, so we're gonna go ahead and do a break-in on this new power head on this 2018 Mercury 150 horse four-stroke motor. Had an internal explosion in this motor back in October. Just now getting it back on the water. Brand new power head. Let's see what happens. Now, in order to break in this power head, it's a 2-hour process followed by an additional 8, which I'll explain. So the first 2 hours, you're gonna go ahead and vary the RPMs over 1500 and under 4500 for about 2 hours, and you're just gonna vary it. Now, after that, you can go ahead and operate your boat as normal, but what you're gonna find, after that, you can go ahead and operate your boat as normal for the additional 8 hours. However, you do not want to run your boat at full speed for more than 5 minutes in that 8-hour period. So my recommendation is to just maybe creep it up there just to double check and make sure it's getting to where you need it to be. If there is a problem, you'll notice it and you can address it quickly. But follow the steps and that will ensure longevity in your motor. So we're gonna go ahead and do this break-in. I'm in a protected cove where there's no wake, so once we get out here, I'm gonna go ahead and bump it up. We're hovering right around 800 RPM right here, which is not ideal for break-in, but it's what I have to do to get out of this cove. And it's fairly shallow. We're in 3 feet of water, so the last thing I wanna do is tear this up. It's new. So nice out. We are at the fabulous Lake Taneycomo here in Branson, Missouri. I'm here with Phil. He's over there. All right, we're back from breaking in the motor. Had a great day, caught 1 largemouth bass. It was a good one though. It was a 3-2 on the jerkbait, Shanka Lures green and purple. It was gorgeous fish. Here that is, check it out. Got him. All right. Oh, child. Oh, getting that big fish. Child. Get. Woo! Thank you, Phil.
You're welcome.
The Lord has blessed me. Oh, child.
That's nice.
Uh, Three, two.
Hell yeah.
Gorgeous bass. That guy's cool. Great net job by Phil. Excellent. All right, so. All right, so we're gonna put the boat on the trailer. It ran pretty flawless today. I'd say that so far so good. Pretty much did the required stuff for break-in, and I'd really like to see how fast it goes with this new prop. We didn't get to do that. I got it, the fastest I got it was around 45, I think. But we know it'll go close to 60.